All right. Alrighty. We are live. We are live. Good morning, everyone that's joining. Good morning. Hello, hello. Hope everyone's doing well. It is Wednesday today, I think. Yep, it's Wednesday. We had a little news this morning. Didn't do anything. Retail sales never does, but Powell does speak later, so we'll have to watch out for that. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. Pretty crazy overnight session last night. We pumped pretty crazy in the London session. You can see over here. I mean, we moved from 18,540 up to 18,860. So 320 points in 15 minutes, roughly. So that's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Nice, man. Nice. Good stuff. The SBS model isn't my strategy. I didn't come up with that strategy, if that's what you're talking about, but I'm glad that you were doing well. Morning, Cameron. How you doing this morning? Good morning, Tom. Hope everyone's doing well. We got some Powell speaking today, later this afternoon. Botfolio closed $700 last night, so 700 on the week. I think it's about break even on the week. Really not up or down too much, which is perfectly fine because remember, Botfolio was a long-term deal, a very long-term deal. It's kind of like your personal money manager. All good, awesome. So I would like to see a sweep of London lows this morning, which is on NQ at 18,511. So NQ Trader last night did have. I gotta. Sorry. Let me do this. Okay. NQ Trader did have 3 net wins last night, or 2 net wins. I posted in the testimonials. Pretty solid. That's just on default settings. A couple people have been asking me about NQ Trader. Yeah, market replay isn't the most accurate thing with the Ninzarenko bars. I'll have to double check with our my developer Ben on that. I think when we back tested it, we used something else. Different, yeah, but I'll have to double check with them. Because 2023 was around 150k profits. That was running like all day with pretty heavy contracts and stuff, but generally overnight session will be your best bet though. I do pretty much only trade NQ, yeah. Does SBS Trader perform better with pattern 2? I like pattern 2. I do have it on. I think it works pretty well. Most of the time it works well. Obviously you're not going to get perfect trades all the time, but yeah, I think it's pretty good. Hey man, you do whatever you want to do. Your own trading is up to you, you know. You want a short, you take that short. I would probably be watching for a potential short like around 670. I wouldn't really say there's, I mean, unless you're going on the hyper scalp kind of play, but so I do want to see us move down on the open. I just want to see us take out London lows, which again is 511 for NQ, and ES is 5342. Okay. Okay. All right, market is now open. A little pump up on the open there. Big pump there on the open. We can start trading SBS again. 9:32. I have it set. The times are up to you, of course. I just got an email about my trip to Hawaii coming up. They're changing how check in, I think. You need to add a real ID, is what they're calling it. It's a new ID, one that's ready to fly, it says. It was just passed in Congress. Interesting. So something new you need to do to fly anywhere, starting May 7th. All right, we can start having trades. Let me turn the volume down here. This doesn't let me click it half the time, dude. Okay, there we go. All right, we're in short on 42 and long on 32. So one of them's gonna win, and one of them's not. All right, so 42 is a winner. 32 is a loss, but 42 is a win. We're in short right now on 32 as well. 48 just took a short. They're in the same exact trade. 32 and 48 are in the same exact trade. That one was a partial win there on 32. Same with 48. We're getting a lot of trades here on the open. A lot of chop, and that is not ideal. It's not ideal. Which one are we going to win? Are we going to win the 42 again? Or are we going to win the 48? The 42 lost there. We're still in the 48, so just sitting. Okay, we're in a 1 minute short, so curious to see how this does here. You know, I do like the 1 minute, so this is the short that I was actually mentioning earlier. By literally looking at the chart, I said I would like to see short maybe around 70. Is that 68? If we do want to move lower, right? So I would want to see us hold this, but still in the 48, 1 minute's hovering around 10 points of profit right now. Need to hit about 30 here for us to be around break even, or have the break even trigger for us. Sorry, I'm not talking too much. I got a few things I'm gotta answer to, but we're gonna trade on everything right now. 1 minute, we got so close to the break even there. We hit 32. I think 28 to 30 would have been our break even. And we're in trades long on everything else, so curious to what happens here. But we literally that was a couple points away from the break evens. All right, I do want to see all of these win. I don't know how that can happen. Well, it can happen. We just need to move up, touch the first TP. It'll miss the stop loss in the 1 minute, and then we can move back down. Looks like the 1 minute, it's dumping no wick on this candle, which is a little bit concerning. Usually if you get a candle with no wick, we do come back up, take that candle, take the wick, or create kind of a wick. But we'll see, we're 30 points of profit right now. Stopped on the 42, stopped on 32. I mean, we're not even down one trade. 1 minute, just tap break even, and it looks like it wants to stop us. Yep, stopped. So really tiny win. Uh, 48's about to lose here. We're in a long on 1 minute. Yeah, this is when you need to have a little bit looser of a trail stop, because we'd be still in this this 1 minute short right now. Nice, man. Nice, Mason. Yeah, no trail stop. It definitely can be in your favor a lot, for sure. I think we're gonna dump here. Still in long on 1 minute. Still in this 1 minute. It's hovering. Do have a bullish SMT right now. In short, 32. No, my account's caught that. On MNQ, maybe I need to reload my data. I'm not sure. Unless I saw your settings. I want to see us dump here. We're kind of doing nothing. Want to see us dump here. I want to see us go to London lows right now. We did take out that that 1 minute trade. There was a loss there. Mason's probably still in the 1 minute because he doesn't have a trail. Winner? Nice, nice. Yeah, that's full win, full win. I kind of missed that. Dang, we're not doing much. I do want to see us move down to 500. I think once we take London low out, if we do, then we'd start to see some decent movement. Not in anything currently with the bots. I do want to see us move lower though. Looks like we do want to take London low. I mean, the way this is acting. Let me see. SBS chat, 42R. Beavis, nice. Jeez. Beavis is up like 1200 on the 42 range. That was 20 minutes ago. But I think he's on NQ. Tom up 150. Nice. Geez, NQ is just a little slow this morning. What are we doing, market? What are we doing, man? What are we doing? There's no way we don't take London lows. We just got 20 points away from it. But it doesn't look like we want to now. I mean, we are just chopping around, man. Considering how slow we're moving, I don't know if we're waiting for Powell later or if we're gonna get a big move soon. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like we could. There's a decent chance that we could just be getting a big move soon. So I don't know. I have no idea. It's like it's moving slow, but it's not at the same time. When we're still getting big candles, 30, 40 points, maybe it just seems slow to me because we're in 30 too long. This is too tight of a stop. 19 points isn't that small, but I do want to see London lows be swept. And right now, I mean, I think we're gonna get stopped there on 32. All right, stopped on that 32. All right, let's go sweep London lows. Let's go sweep London lows, man. There we go. There we go. London lows are swept. I would be watching longs. That was a really good reaction there off of the London lows. Guys, it's 10 o'clock. I don't know. I think we might shut it down early. I don't know. I think we might shut it down early. I think we're gonna shut it down early. Down one trade on 32. We're down half a trade on 42. Down half a trade on 1 minute, and break even on. I mean, it's pretty much a break even day all around. Slight red, barely, but we're gonna shut it down. I'll be back tomorrow. Everyone, be careful the rest of the day because Powell is speaking later. All right, have a great rest of your day. Message me if you have any questions, and I'll see everybody tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.